Skul St. Paul Seminary apo Shillong hagasin konjo tayo kala Rakhe ka Diamond Jubilee ne ka jingdap nrupusnam hagajing sakri kum ka slam puli puthi panpen sapriang ya ka jingnang jing start apo kathan ya ka ni jing Rakhe la pensyong kun da ka jing dan lang jong menteri rang ba ka jela u konrat kongkel sangma u bala sakhot song bha kum kongsan ha ka jing dan lang kinong elam ka balang Catholic kinong peniat skul bagi kimi ki pa jong ki kna skul Habakran ng jingelang o konrad mula ay jingero ya ki bor peniat ka skul ki belala ban peniat ya ka skul hadu uniu mau jam ban ripusnem bat aru ka jingero ya ki skul jong ka balang Catholic haba ong ba dei ki jaka puli ki bakum kini ki badei ki atyar ki basandor ka jinglong bat ka akor ka buram jong ki brio shimet ulei thu ru bawat ukpa jong upurno e sangma bam kwa hadwar ublei udei ubla sandor da ka balang bat udai ubala penhe pensan digi padar jong ka balang Catholic Jubilee don lang hagani jing Rakhe ki kinthop yo Archbishop Victor Lingdo MLA kathan bat menteri sarkar ba Hamlet Sandoling u menteri sarkar ba dasakyat lamari ba kiwe
and the kind of contribution that has been made by so many people to bring this institute to where it is today. Now we all have our purpose in life. And God has already defined it for us. He has already planned it for us. The question is, will you be prepared for it? Will you be molded in the right shape? Will you have the right principles? Will you have the right character in you to be able to do what God has planned? And it is in institutes like this that this kind of molding and shaping of your personality and character takes shape. You know, faith and hope are two of the most powerful words that you can have. Remember that always. And the church will teach you that. Hope and faith will get you through any difficult situation in your life. And this hope and faith will come from above. When you believe, as the song went. So you have to believe in it, and you have to have the hope and the faith. And I'll tell you, once you have that in you, no matter how big the challenges are, no matter how difficult it is for you to get through it, you will get through it. You have to believe, you have to have the faith and the hope. And that is what also, I'm telling you from experience, I'm not telling you just like that. You see what kind of challenges we face, yet we keep going. We don't move away from our focus. We don't move away from our goals. We don't move away from our purpose, which is here to serve the people of our state, make the lives of our people better. Yes, sometimes we are able to do it. Sometimes we fail. When we fail, we get up again, we learn, we work harder, and we keep working on it. That is a kind of commitment that we have, and that comes from the faith and the hope that we have in what we do.